Um, Swati Ramanathan. I'm the chairperson, India Urban Space.
Now the first question is that India Urban Space is India's largest urban planning conference with over 700 delegates. How does it feel just to be a part of it, a big part of it?
It feels fantastic. It surpassed my wildest dreams. I had expectations, but they were modest expectations. I expected India Urban Space to take off in 5 years from now, after rigorous effort, to become then the largest conference. But I think we are the largest conference today. There's no question about it. The largest urban event for cities.
The next question is that this conference is quite unique because it has a few different spaces running simultaneously. The Expo, which you know about, the technical workshops and policy program. So which one of these do you see as the most value to you?
To me personally?
I guess to you personally, or which one?
Actually, I can't answer that question. For me, all of them are equally valuable. What happens with a space like the Expo is two things. One is it creates the networks. Cities today are broken down. They need to get the right vendors and service providers to implement for them. They can't do it alone. Government, it's impossible. They don't have the capacity inside, internally, which means they have to have private sector participate. If private sector has to participate, how are they going to even know who are the private sector players who I can go to? What does each one offer? How are they different from each other? India, a space like this Expo provides them with that contact, provides them with the ability to see all of the private sector players in each of the various segments, to start asking questions, to have one-on-one conversations, to learn a little bit more about their products, new innovations from private sector. So that's a key one. The Expo also does another very important thing. It actually allows cities, for the first time, cities are showcasing their projects. And what's wonderful about it is two things. One is cities take a lot of pride to put up their stuff because they are now showcased. Everybody comes to see them. Over 30,000 people are coming in this Expo. They're going to see them. The second thing that's very important is that they share. I see Pune sees Surat, Surat sees Ahmedabad, starts learning, oh wow, this is an innovation in Surat, maybe we can try this. Sabarmati River, oh well, perhaps we could use this in the riverfront cleaning in Jammu and Kashmir, in Srinagar. So these are the kinds of things that get triggered. You see the possibility because you see somebody else having done it. So that's very important on the Urban Expo side. The technical workshops, this is where we build internal capacity of our governments. Our engineers, our commissioners, our mayors, they all get exposed to the variety of issues, that urban challenges that we face, and see what's the latest, what's the cutting edge. You hear from the global experts, you hear from the national experts, and you start getting better informed. You also start networking with your own colleagues from across cities. And that's the wonderful thing about these workshops. So, very important component in my opinion. Last one, of course, while infrastructure is very important, we do need reforms, critical reforms across the country. So the seminar program does that. For each seminar, we'll pick a particular, very important program for the country and explore that. So I think all three of them are very important.
And it's only one day in, but do you have a highlight to date?
I think for me, it was seeing that packed room of mayors, commissioners, district mayors, engineers, all of them there, excited and willing to discuss their cities. I think that the energy that was there in that room, to me, was definitely the highlight. The second one was seeing the city stalls. That was 2 days back. So today I'm telling you this was my highlight. But 2 days earlier, when I saw that first city stall being put up, I saw the men, the municipal engineers, putting it so carefully, their projects of the city. And my heart just filled up. It was so great that we could actually recognize cities and give them a space to cheer them and to share. So these were our two highlights.
And perhaps I can just ask one more. The Urban Implementation Awards, it's been the first year for these awards.
Yeah.
They've been well received.
Yeah.
Spoke to the winners and they were absolutely,
Yeah.
they had a feeling of joy.
Yeah, these were the Oscars, I tell you. This is for the cities. Nobody has ever recognized them for implementation. Nobody. It's such a thankless job. You do a good job, but who's there to say, wow, shabash, clap your hands really nicely and hardly and loudly. But you don't do a good job, everybody's there to point a finger. So I think this is very, very important to encourage better implementation, to make them realize that, wow, we'll also be in the spotlight. They're also sending them off on tours. Most of these people have never been outside the country. So for the first time, we're sending them outside to explore the possibilities, to see where better infrastructure, how have they done it, how are they different from the way we do it. So it's a very, very important component of India-US